My name is Vuyolwethu and I'm from the Eastern Cape in a small town called King Williamstown, known as Ekonga in isiXhosa. But I was born and bred there. I did my undergrad at a local university known as Walter Sisulu University. Then I did my honors at Nelson Mandela University. Then I went to Rhodes University for my master's, and now I'm currently studying my PhD. So for my PhD, I'm based at the research institution known as NRF, South African Institute for Aquatic Biodiversity, and it's located in Grahamstown in Eastern Cape. But I'm registered with Nelson Mandela University under the Department of Botany. For my research, I'm looking into growing a plant that is used for rehabilitation of coastal urban systems. So the plant name is known as imizi. It's a mat sedge that is used for making sleeping mats and weaving fruit baskets in the Eastern Cape. So the project that I'm working on is currently using indigenous knowledge of weaving the plant material. Then the mats that are weaved are placed in harbours and ports for the rehabilitation of harbours and ports. So we're hoping that the small aquatic animals will use the mats for refuge. For masters, I was actually studying fish and looking on its movements, but then I loved it, but then I realized that it's not really speaking to me. Like for my PhD, I'd rather go for something that would speak to me. So my PhD is actually combining my two passions, that is my Xhosa heritage and my science. The impact that we're hoping to gain from this project obviously is to rehabilitate the coastal urban systems. But at a smaller scale, we will also be co-creating gardens with the local community. So we're hoping that will be successful. Using aquaponics, so we'll not only grow the plant but also produce fish for the local community. The women that are weaving the plant, they are generating money for weaving for the project, and they are generating a lot of money, so at least there's revenue for them. The project bridges the gap between theory and practical considerations that are being applied in real-world problems. My project combines 3 disciplines. That is botany, because I'm focusing on the plant. I'm studying the habitat characteristics. I'm studying the conditions it prefers, and I'm also mapping the distribution of the plant. It's combining marine, coastal environment, so marine, because that's where we're working at, and that's where we're putting the mats. It's combining social sciences because I'm working with the community, and so it's kind of a study. It's an interdisciplinary. The weaving I was talking about of the plant is an indigenous skill, and only few people still practice it. It's a very specialized skill, like not anyone, like we've tried learning. We had a workshop, and it's a very difficult thing to do. It's a lot of work. And those women are very precise, and they are very neat. So in order for you to be able to do that, you need practice, and you also need to know the indigenous knowledge. So that's why we've invested on bringing them in, because they know a lot. They know more than, I would say, more than us.